Neptune, one of the ice giant planets in our solar system, is a fascinating topic that has intrigued scientists and science fiction enthusiasts for years. Although it may not be possible with current technology, in theory, it could be terraformed by warming up the planet's atmosphere, melting its icy shell, creating a breathable atmosphere, and building infrastructure. Welcome to Argerex. In this video, we shall delve into the intricacies of transforming Neptune into a habitable world through the process of terraforming. Terraforming Neptune is an extremely difficult task, and creating a magnetic field to protect the planet's atmosphere from solar wind and radiation is one of the biggest challenges. The planet's magnetic field is very weak, so one possibility is to place a series of satellites in orbit around Neptune that could generate a magnetic field. Neptune's surface is covered with a thick layer of ice that would need to be melted to create liquid oceans. This could be done by warming up the planet's atmosphere by placing a series of large mirrors in orbit around the planet, which could reflect sunlight onto its surface and create a greenhouse effect, or by using large heating elements placed on the planet's surface. Once the ice has melted, a breathable atmosphere for humans and other life forms would need to be created by introducing a lot of oxygen into the atmosphere, either by planting oxygen-producing plants, or by releasing large amounts of oxygen gas into the atmosphere. Finally, once the planet has been terraformed, infrastructure would need to be built to support human and animal life. This would include housing, food production facilities, and transportation systems. Neptune is known for its deep blue color, caused by the absorption of red light by methane in its atmosphere. Its atmosphere also contains a high concentration of methane than Uranus, giving it a darker blue hue. Inside Neptune, the planet is thought to have a rocky core surrounded by a layer of icy materials, and a thick atmosphere made mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The pressure and temperature at the center of the planet are extreme, with pressures estimated to be millions of times higher than those at Earth's surface, and temperatures reaching up to 7,000 degrees centigrade. One of the most intriguing facts about Neptune is its weight. It is the fourth largest planet in our solar system, but it is the third most massive planet. If you could put Neptune on a giant scale, it would weigh almost 18 times more than Earth. Due to Neptune's massive size and gravitational pull, a person who weighs 150 pounds on Earth would weigh around 420 pounds on Neptune. Neptune's atmosphere contains methane gas, which under the planet's extreme pressure and temperature conditions can transform into solid diamonds. These diamonds are believed to rain down onto the planet's surface, creating a diamond rainstorm. However, due to the planet's distance from Earth and its hostile environment, this phenomenon has never been observed directly. While the idea of terraforming Neptune is exciting, it is important to note that it remains a highly theoretical concept. The technology required to carry out such an enormous task is beyond our current capabilities, and the potential risks and unintended consequences of altering an entire planet's ecosystem are significant. Nonetheless, studying the possibilities of terraforming Neptune and other planets can offer valuable insights into our own planet's delicate balance and help us understand the challenges of exploring and colonizing other worlds.